We're having TSI camps for our students so that they can be college ready once they pass their TSI. The great thing about TSI is that this is an initiative set forth by our district. We are college connected, so with this opportunity for our students, everybody from FAR, San Juan, Alamo have an opportunity to challenge the TSI and then hopefully take college courses in the fall.
We have students getting prepared with reading, writing, and math. We prepare them throughout the year, but more specifically right now during the summer to get them ready for college.
I decided to take the opportunity and try to pass my TSI classes so that way I can take my college classes and graduate with my associates. In any career, any major you want to be in, you use these skills without even knowing, so it's good to practice them right now. I think it's something that a lot of students should look forward to doing.
Reading and writing is really important for what I want to do, so all this that we're learning now will really help me in the future. I really want to be an English teacher, and I hope that can help me when I'm in college.
At the end of the academy, there is a test we have to take, which is a TSI test. It can be either math, the reading, and the writing. Which one you pass will determine what you can take. I would love to become a veterinarian, so majoring in biology, these classes will help me and give me the experience I need to become a veterinarian.
It's really important for our students to be prepared to take college courses while in high school. For one, it saves money, it saves time. Students are granted free tuition, free books, free experiences, all while in high school, which leads up to their associate's degree when they graduate.
Here at PSJ, we try to foster the multi-generational prosperity, and that's a way of getting them ready and changing their trajectory in life so that they can be prepared fully.